DXYZ Stock ANALYSIS and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this one short minute video till the end to find out, because I'm giving you my exact arguments and my exact play. Destiny Tech 100 stock. I'm actually seeing some good upside moves here. I was looking for, like, the only way that I'm really going to be bullish here, like right off the bat, is that I see bullish momentum, and that's good. Before I get into the details, just to give you context, I'm using my strategy that has previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. And I'm telling you this because that's the truth, and I've documented everything. But looking at DXYZ, let's go 15 minutes. Yes, I mean, I'm seeing a first for like overall one break at least, right? So that's cool. Now I want to see the second break. That's gonna be pretty much, that's gonna determine that I'm really bullish there. And then I'm willing to take it higher, because then I'm gonna see bullish momentum. But I want to see the second break happening. I'm not just gonna blindly be bullish. I want to see the second break. So it's obviously not financial advice. For more value, resources, and everything, check out the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.